Assalamualaikum adventure seekers. Today's adventure started off a little differently than planned. Maps failed, turns were missed, and suddenly I found myself lost in Mansoura's charming maze. Guess what? That's when the magic unfolded. Ready to ditch the map and follow the Nile's whisper? Hit subscribe, ring that bell, and let's explore wherever the streets unfold. No maps needed, just open heart and curious eyes. In my last video, I just finished exploring the Olympic Village at Mansoura University and all prepped to go home and meet my sister. But somehow, I found myself lost in the city's labyrinthine streets.
Mana dah rumah budak ni? Macam tak sama.
Navigating through the streets here is quite challenging because not all addresses appear in the Google map and you somehow have to pin the nearest shops in order to get home. Anyhow, this is a typical residential blocks here in Mansoura, and as you guys can see, on the streets, there are practically no drain, and my sister told me that during the rainy seasons, it will get all flooded in here.
Tadi aku dah dekat Bai Cafe. So bukan kat sini lah. Bai Cafe kat mana? Waalaikumsalam.
I have no idea where my sister's house is, but actually, getting lost isn't such a bad thing because it allows me to go outside of my comfort zone and embark on unexpected adventure, and here I am sharing it with you guys. By right, my sister's house is somewhere within one of these alley on our right side, but since I missed the chance to meet her, we'll just make our way to explore the city for now. This is one of the main streets that surround Mansoura University, and it is buzzing with energy and excitement. This street is a tale of two worlds. To the left, we've got the university's wisdom in all those faculty buildings and the best medical facilities here in Mansoura. And to the right side is the heartbeat of the city. Shops galore, tempting you with everything your heart desires. As I'm walking, I can't help but to look up on these advertisement boards. They are like eye candy, aren't they? It's like stepping into a whole other levels of visual fireworks. Every corner you turn, there's a new story splashed across the sky, bigger and bolder than the last. It's like a never-ending sky art gallery, except that instead of pins on the wall, it's light and magic dancing in the air. So it's hard not to stop and stare at these beauties. Wow, I'm drooling looking at these desserts. Maybe next time I'll come back and get one of those.
So I continue my journey here in exploring Mansoura. So basically, I'm just walking along the street, and along the street there are plenty of street vendors selling fries, grilled corn, as well as fruit. But unfortunately, I don't have any more quota to taste all of that. My stomach is full. Otherwise, I would really love to buy and try all of them. And I saw like dessert, cake shop, cafes. There are plenty to explore here, but unfortunately, it's gonna be sunset soon. Like I only have like 1 hour, so I have to quickly walk. I plan to go close to the river, and then let's explore what's over there. Here in Egypt, I noticed that most places don't have traffic light, so they have traffic police to control the crowd. On my way along the Nile River, here they call it Damiapur branch. I saw a fun fair at my right side. reach the Nile River after like 30 minutes walk. It's gonna be sunset now, but sunset is on that side.
This Damiapa branch is like the Nile's secret queen of mighty river we saw in Aswan, Luxor and Cairo. It's crazy to think that it's the same water flowing all the way down from 1,400 kilometers down south, winding its way towards Damiapa 70 kilometers up north. Back in Aswan and Luxor, the Nile unfurled like a ribbon of history, weaving past ancient wonders, charming villages and sun-drenched dunes, all under a sky blushing pink and violet. But here, it reflects modern Egypt's spirits with factories and bustling life along the banks with the sun bathing the sky in fiery oranges and gentle lavender, painting the water in a whole new light. It's like knowing a familiar friend on a deeper level, discovering a hidden side just as captivating as the first.
If you want to see sunrise, you can come here. But I gotta tell you, there is a lot of trash at the riverbanks here compared to the one that we saw back in Aswan and Luxor. The river is much more pristine, much more clear. But here, I don't know, maybe because it's gonna be sunset soon, but here the color of water is quite dark. I'm not too sure because I cannot see properly right now. Do your parts, guys. If you have a local river or roads on your side, please throw away your garbage when you find a dustbin. Otherwise, bring an extra plastic and throw away your garbage in that plastic, and when you reach home, throw it away at the garbage can at your home, and don't throw it away on the roadside. It's really bad for the environment as well as the river life. Alongside of this river, there are parks, and there's also a nightclub where if you want to go and have your dinner or something, you can go, and the restaurant is next to the river, so you can enjoy the view while you're dining. And there are also masjid, mosque and sports arena here. And I'm sure if you walk along the street, you will find so many interesting local food here. I saw like some kind of dessert, yogurt. I'm gonna try it another day, not today, because my stomach is full. Here you can also go on a boat or cruise, but I'm not too sure how much. I'm just gonna look around here for a few minutes and then I'll make a move. Just now I went inside Metro supermarket. It's an Egyptian supermarket, but they sell a variety of international brand food. I'm gonna go and check out some groceries here for breakfast and as well as chocolate to bring back home, and also I want to find coffee, and if I can find tea, I'll buy tea. So let's go. Basically in Metro they have all international branded food, and they have lots of freshly baked bread and salad with range of meat, fruits, and they are all international brands. You can also find local brands. This, the avocado is so big and it costs only 50 gene, and one of them, this one, that means one of these is 10 gene. It is as big as my hand. I got myself cinnamon peanut butter. I want to try this. This is natural peanut butter. Actually I want to bring mine, but my luggage was so heavy, so I didn't bring anything. And this is tissue. This is the whole bread. This is chocolate mandarin. I think it is very sweet, but I just want to buy one. And this is Moro. Moro is equivalent to Boost in Malaysia, so I'm just gonna try this. And coffee. I got this ground coffee with cardamom, medium roast, and medium roast Arabica. It's Arabica. There's also Samyang here, but it is a lot expensive. This one I think in Malaysia maybe is 5 or 6 ringgit. Here is 50 gani, is equivalent to 12. It's double the price. There's also Sukumi, Indomie. It is very easy to find Indonesian food here, and even Korean. This is an interesting place to go if you're an expat traveling in Egypt, and if you want to find Western food, you should come here.
As the night falls, Mansoura's magic takes center stage. The streets, once familiar, become a kaleidoscope of movement and light. People unwind after a long day, and even the traffic joins in the dance, weaving a gentle hum through the city.
This is the buffalo burger that we ordered from Talabat app the other day. My sister said this is the best burger brand in Egypt. The size is huge and they have a lot of varieties of burger that you can try, so you should definitely give it a go. If you come to Egypt, make sure you find buffalo burger. Hai, student ke?
Hadirah ke ni? Dia bukan.
Hadirah punya kakak.
Ya ke? Ya Allah. Hadirah ni?
Hah?
Hadirah ni?
Hadirahnya pergi
Grab Arab
Grab Arab. Ni siapa?
Kawan Hadirah satu batch.
Oh ya ke? Lai.
Habis nak jalan ni balik?
Nak balik?
Jalan lagi?
Oh
tak naik taxi?
Itulah masalahnya, malas nak type kalau mak rumah dia tak hafal.
Oh ya ke? Ingat jalan tak?
Ingat bukan, ada Google Apps ada.
Okey.
Google Map ada.
Akak beli barang ke?
Tadi dah jalan-jalan alang-alang masuk tengok ada apa dalam kedai, beli lah. Jauh daripada hujung dunia mengangkut.
Berani lah seorang-seorang.
Boleh lah. Sorry, siapa nama tadi?
Ibtihaj.
Ibtihaj.
Nak pergi doya, nak pergi dentist dah.
Oh, okey.
Sampai nanti elok balik.
Esok Grab ke?
Esok Grab.
Combo. Okey, jumpa esok.
Bye.
Bye.
That's a totally amazing skills, guys. I don't know how did she manage to tell that I am Hadirah, because I'm wearing a mask, guys, and this is my first day and first time here in Mansourah, and she even greeted me from the back. Do you guys think we look alike? Let me know in the comment, okay? Now, if you're wearing a mask, would you guys still be able to tell which one is me and which one is her? Or did you guys get it right? Well done. Anyway, this is Mansourah during semester break, but wait until the students come swarming back. Mansourah city is like the city's heartbeat, with all those bright minds pumping energy into the streets. The local shops and restaurants thrive and the street buzz with activity. And guess what? Nowhere else will you find 6 top hospitals within 2 kilometers through. Specialized care, kids health, eye specialists, even emergency and accident hospital is all right here within the uni vicinity. It's a win-win for everyone. The locals get the access to amazing hospitals, and aspiring doctors get the real-world experience here in Mansourah.
That's my sister's faculty, Kuliah At-Tib.
My feet finally led me to a whole street overflowing with computer gadgets and tech treasures. this is where we began our journey this morning, and Alhamdulillah, I made it back safely. Today's walk through Mansourah taught me that sometimes the best journeys are the ones that you don't plan. Getting lost can somehow lead you to the most beautiful discoveries. So next time you feel the urge to wander, don't resist it. Embrace the unknown, soak up the sights and sounds, and let the city tell you its story. You might just surprise yourself with what you find.
I think that's all from me for today. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Stay curious, stay adventurous, and ma'as-salama.